Hook, have you ever felt like your finances were being bombarded by notifications, alerts, and seemingly endless updates? It's a common experience in today's digital age, and one of the culprits often turns out to be Rocket Money. But what if you're ready to break free from the constant barrage of financial advice and notifications? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Rocket Money and explore how you can effectively disconnect it from your bank account. Context: Rocket Money, once hailed as a financial savior, has become a controversial topic among users. While it offers features like bill negotiation, budgeting tools, and credit score monitoring, some users have found the service to be intrusive, overwhelming, or simply not worth the hassle. If you're one of those users, you might be wondering how to regain control of your financial data and privacy. Step-by-step guide. 1. Access your Rocket Money account. The first step is to log into your Rocket Money account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Settings or Preferences page. 2. Locate the Bank Account section. Look for a section related to your bank accounts. This might be labeled as Linked Accounts, Financial Institutions, or something similar. Click on this section to proceed. 3. Identify the bank account to disconnect. If you have multiple bank accounts linked to Rocket Money, make sure to select the specific one you want to disconnect. Look for the bank's name, logo, or any other identifying information. 4. Initiate the disconnection process. Rocket Money should provide an option to remove or disconnect your bank account. Click on this option and follow the on-screen instructions. 5. Confirm your decision. Rocket Money might ask you to confirm your decision to disconnect the bank account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental removal. Review the information carefully and proceed with confirmation. 6. Verify the disconnection. After confirming, check your bank account settings within Rocket Money to ensure that it has been successfully disconnected. The bank account should no longer appear in the list of linked accounts. Additional tips. Review privacy settings. While you're in your Rocket Money settings, take the opportunity to review your privacy settings. Make sure you're comfortable with the level of data sharing and tracking. Consider alternatives. If Rocket Money isn't meeting your needs, explore other financial tools or apps that might better suit your preferences. Contact Rocket Money support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the disconnection process, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. Conclusion. Disconnecting your bank account from Rocket Money can be a simple process if you know where to look. By following these steps, you can regain control of your financial data and privacy. Remember, your financial well-being is important, and it's essential to choose the tools that align with your needs and values. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.